Ke saya ingat. Oh my god, susahnya. Hidup ini susah. Okay. Hello. Today's video, I'm going to show you my January favorites. Products yang I suka in January. Macam tak semestinya products baru. Maybe I dah ada lama ni. Tapi I macam tiba sayang yang jatuh cinta di bulan Januari. Okay. Okay, so kita start dengan skincare. Okay, skincare. Sebab skincare lagi penting dalam makeup. Tak guna kalau you makeup you gempak gila. And then you punya skill you gempak, makeup you mahal. Tapi kulit you tak jaga. Okay. Kulit ni kalau jaga elok, kalau dia licin, you pakai makeup apa pun senang. I'm gonna start with this toner. This toner is from Pixi Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. It has 5% glycolic acid, aloe vera and ginseng. I've heard so many great reviews about this. Okay, I pakai ni. Mula I pakai macam, okay, tak ada apa. But after a week, I tengok muka I macam, it glows. Memang betul glow. I rasa kulit I, dia tak whiten, tapi dia brighten my skin. Dia macam, kulit I nampak lagi bersinar. Glow lah basically. Dia bukan nampak glow. And bersih and macam clear. Dia macam kasih, apa right? Clarity macam tu, okay? Okay, and then, next skincare is this. Mario Badescu Silver Powder. This is a powder. Let me show you. Yes, nampak ni. Macam dadah. I pakai ni dekat my hidung and my sini. So basically, dia kata, using natural ingredients to help draw blackheads, excess oil and other impurities from the skin. So, dia untuk combat T-zone shine, decongesting pores and balancing oil in the skin. So, I letak ni dekat tempat yang muka I produce the most oil, which is dekat sini and hidung I. Hidung I macam, oh my, hidung I blackhead teruk mampus. If you ada blackhead, you tahu blackhead you keras. Ni akan melembutkan you punya blackhead so that you boleh picit, or you pakai macam pore pack tu, dia akan senang terkeluar. So, I rasa macam dia really control sikit oil I. Macam I pakai ni, the next day muka I macam very matte. Dia tak as oily sebelum I pakai ni. I pakai ni kalau macam blackhead I memang teruk nak mampus. Okay, I pakai ni. Dan I pakai my blackhead punya strip tu. I can use this from Face Shop. Jeju Volcanic Lava Peel Off Clay Nose Mask. You tak macam like pore strip yang kat hidung tu. Ni macam ni tapi in like cream form. It's a really thick cream. Letak dekat hidung you. And then dia jadi pore strip. And then you peel off. Kadang-kadang kalau pakai pore strip, kat sini dia tak ni kan, dia tak apa tu, dia tak kena kan. Sebab dia strip lah kan ni, you beli cream tu dia tenyek kat sini, tenyek, tonyong semua kat sini. So dia akan memang semua area dia cover. Next is this, oh dah habis dah sedih gila. Caudalie Beauty Elixir Smoothing Glowing Complexion. This is a face mist. This is the smaller one. There's a bigger like the original bottle tu. Itu mahal ampus. That is 195. I bought this for 65. Yang cepat habis sebab kecil kan. Tapi tak tahu nak beli ke tak sebab mahal. Ya Allah, mahal ampus. I sedih. And I macam stress tak tahu nak beli ke tak. Tapi memang berkesan. This is the only face mist yang you pakai instant results. Instant. I have face mist from Kiehl's, Melvita, and yang tu macam very hydrating, moisturizer. But ni, muka you glow. Ni macam highlighter in a bottle, in face mist punya form. I pakai ni I pakai this bila I bangun. Lepas saya basuh muka. I pakai this in my night time skincare routine. I pakai this all the time because it works and nampak. Oh my god. Ni, muka you jadi glowing, jadi macam bersinar, jadi cantik. Dia bukan oily, dia macam macam tu. Tu mahal. I tak tahu. I macam tak tahu nak beli ke tak lagi sebab mahal. Caudalie please sponsor I. And then lagi skincare. Ini I baru je try ni, tapi I dah suka dah. I suka. I love this. Ni Peter Thomas Roth, belum keluar lagi dekat Sephora. I'm sorry. Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Detox Hydra Gel Eye Patch. Ni macam ni. Nampak ada dua tu. So you, ni ada like spatula ni, you korek dan letak dekat you punya mata you. Apa yang suka pasal ni, sebab dia instant. I suka skincare instant results. Dia letak kat you punya mata you ni. And then after 10 minutes you buka, ni tak ada puff. Hilang. Dia macam mengecutkan you punya puffiness. And lah I rasa. But I suka. Sebab dia macam instant tak. I rasa this is great kalau you ada event, nak kahwin, whatever macam benda penting, you pakai this for 10 minutes, then you buka, you pakai your makeup, mata you dapat segar gila. Mata you akan dapat segar. And tak ada macam like eye bag macam besar-besar. Yang ni macam like tebal nak mampus tu. Tak ada, hilang. Dia akan halau so benda tu, okay? And pakai sikit-sikit je. So I tak nak habis. Ya Allah Tuhan aku. Okay, ni bukan skincare tapi ni sabun badan. I beli kat Sephora. Kan ada kan? Sabun badan pun beli kat Sephora. This is the VMV Hypoallergenics Clarifying Body Soap. Exfoliating Body Cleanser. Dia ada salicylic acid and apricot kernels. So basically if you ada bag ni, I ada, okay? I ada. Ada macam jerawat kat belakang tu, dia akan hilang. Dia macam menghilangkan jerawat lah, jerawat kat badan you. So bila I mandi macam sentuh-sentuh, I memang sentuh-sentuh macam ni semua like that. So few days memang hilang jerawat tu. Dia macam kecut and dia mengerikan jerawat you yang macam badan you clear. So you macam tak insecure sangat. Walaupun tak siapa tengok, tapi it's good to be confident in your own body walaupun orang tak tengok tau. Faham tak? Sekarang ni makeup. Primer, I featured this in my previous video, everyday makeup tutorial tu. Ni by Pores Primer. I suka ni sebab dia macam, I rasa macam muka I macam smooth gila pakai ni. This is so better than Benefit punya Professional ni. Macam you punya pores dia macam menghilangkan semua pores muka you. Macam like smooth nak mampus. So I suka ni. Ni pun I feature in my previous video. Kat Von D Lock It Foundation. I'm in the shade Light Neutral 47. I love this. This is similar to UD All Nighter. I have both. Alhamdulillah, rezeki. Dua-dua tak beli. UD All Nighter ni, it's good. It looks great dalam gambar, if tak gambar. But dia lagi stickier. Dia susah nak blend. Dia tak blend nicely sangat tau. It takes more effort nak blend this lah than this. This is more smooth, dia lagi creamy. And dia susah sikit nak blend. Even though dia heavy nak mampus, and it looks heavy, and it feels heavy, but dalam gambar cantik. Nampak muka I flawless. Because of this. Thanks to this, okay? Revlon. I dah tahu lama dah Revlon bagus. Because Fah bagi tahu I. Nisha, Revlon ni macam Laura Mercier. I macam buat bodoh je. And I beli, and I macam, oh my god, Fah betul. Fah is always right. Ni memang, this is so good. And cheaper than high-end punya loose powder. Penat. Moving on. I dah ada ni, dah lama dah. I ada ni like last year. I wanna say April I think. I'm not sure. Sebelum ni I macam, I dapat ni. And then I guna, I macam, apa ni? Like tak nampak pun blind. But lately kan I suka macam highlighter yang tak blind ni. I suka highlighter macam yang like that. And this is the perfect highlighter yang macam ni. Okay? And mahal mampus. Mahal. Jangan beli. Yes, I kata ni bagus tapi jangan beli sebab I rasa mahal mampus. So jangan beli. Bukan jangan beli lah. Macam like you don't need this. You do not need this. I don't need this. Tapi I ada so I can guna. Dia kasih the perfect highlight dekat pipi you macam yang, you tak macam magic. Dia macam magic kat pipi. Dia macam cing. Tapi bukan yang cing yang over ni. Cing yang soft and natural and just mahal. You pakai ni, you rasa macam aku ni belian yang mahal. You rasa macam ni tau. I love this. Underneath that, sebab I kan macam ratchet sikit, so ratchet banyak, I suka pakai this. This is the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in the shade Moonlight. Kan I tunjuk in my previous video, so you tahu benda ni bagus. I like this. This is easy to blend. It's a liquid, but bila you dah blend jadi powder, dia macam just, I love this. Okay, primer. I dah beli lama dah, tapi I rasa macam sebenarnya I suka ni. I pakai this. I use this a lot in January sebab I dah habis my Urban Decay primer potion and I masih nak beli. And I guna ni and I suka. This is the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. Oh my god, ni you pakai you punya eyeshadow, memang dia nampak. And di sana nak blend, dia macam, I like this. Tapi kalau I nak the extra glitter, kalau pakai shimmer eyeshadow especially, or glitter lah, I akan use this. Oh my, this is a life changer. Ni life changer ke game changer? Ni macam cahaya langit untuk I. This is Too Faced Glitter Glue, Glitter Eyeshadow Primer. You pakai ni, whatever eyeshadow you pakai, especially shimmer and glitter, dia macam lekat sampai mampus. Lekat sampai mampus. If you suka glitter, if you suka pakai glitter dekat mata you, or shimmer eyeshadow, you nak nampak macam shimmer kat mata you, you have to get this. I will link the link down below because I still available kat Sephora website. I nak in few days, I nak this sold out. Okay, I nak yang ni, I nak korang semua beli. So, yang ni sold out. Sebab this is so good if you suka shimmer eyeshadow and glitter eyeshadow. This will change your life. Okay, over ni, emosi. I have two eyeshadow palette yang I suka. Both from the same brand, Tarte. Tarte punya eyeshadow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Everyone needs this. This is... Dah bau coklat. Bau coklat. Sebelah makan makeup ni, I rasa lapar. Mana muka tak besar. This colours, semua colour ni, I boleh bayangkan. If orang kata, okay, Nisha, you kena duduk dekat pulau setahun. And you can only bring one makeup palette. I will bring this because you can do a lot with this palette. Dark semua ada, the lightest ada. And ada shimmer ada. You can do a lot. If I thought you can do a lot. I can buat tutorial guna this. I can next video tutorial guna this. Okay. So creamy. So like I kata, I complain. Too Faced punya peach palette tu, the matte ones are so dry and hard and just. But this one. Nampak ni dah jahanam dah pakai. This one is just so soft and creamy. And just. I nak jilat tau. And then, next palette, you dah tahu dah apa I rasa. Tarte Pro To Go. You need this. Get this. This is... I use this too every day. But lately I pakai ni more. Because I malas nak buka banyak-banyak palette. I macam, okay, I buka ni. I guna ni je semua. Same quality. This, all over the eyelid. Transition colour. Ni dekat macam outer corner tu. And ni macam nak glam. Dah. And you're done. It's that simple. Essence, this changed my life. I have Lancome yang mahal, and I don't like that. I like this better. Okay, I suka ni Essence. Oh my god, dia kasih, nampak tak? Dia kasih you punya eyebrow nampak so natural because it's clear. Sebelum pakai, dia akan mengenhancekan lagi you punya bulu kening you. So nampak one bila you buat. So dia macam nampak natural. If pakai yang ada colour, dia macam tag hitam like that. I don't like that. Ni dia akan macam nampak so natural. I suka this. And dia tak keras. Nampak? If kalau pakai Melayu kan macam I rasa Lancome buat keras gila. Macam letak apa tu dalam rambut, macam letak hairspray. What? Ni macam if orang pakai, oh my god, so soft, but dia tak bergerak. Magic. I have 4 lip products that I like because I tamak. Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. Mulut you plump, nak mampus. Muah, macam tu. Ni kasih mulut you nampak macam mulut yang dicipta untuk comolot. If you suka mulut besar, get this. Dia akan besarkan mulut you. Trust me, dia akan memang bam, besarkan mulut you. I suka. What I'm wearing on my lips now, this is from Huda Beauty, Bombshell. I bought this dekat this one Insta shop. I will link the Insta shop down below untuk you dapat ni. This colour suits semua eye makeup. Colour yang sesuai dengan semua benda. Semua baju, semua mata, semua. I suka this. And yang baru dapat, Marc Jacob Lemarque Liquid Lip Cream in Slow Burn. Not matte. This is a liquid lipstick biasa je. It's not matte. And I like this. I like because it's so moisturizing, so pigmented, so creamy and nampak nice. But if I'm malas nak pakai liquid lipstick, I akan pakai this. This is from Nude Sticks. Dah nak separuh dah. Nude Sticks, you have to asahkan you punya ni tau. I malas. The only one thing I don't like about Nude Sticks is that you kena asahkan you punya ni. Asahkan you punya whatever product lah, Nude Sticks product. And I malas nak mampus, saya tak suka. Kalau dia purity. I like this, okay. And it's not expensive, so compared to this two, this is not as expensive kat Sephora. I punya tekak I dah kering dah. I tak suka batuk. Okay, sudahlah. Sudah. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like and comment down below. If you nak, I tak paksa you. Asalkan you rela hati nak subscribe kat I. Whatever you do, buat dengan hati ikhlas, okay? Okay, bye. Love you. Mwah.